If I don't feel good, I go out. Iba yung iba yung I go out because I wanna escape from my own thoughts. Parang mas gusto ko lang harapin yung thoughts ko outside. So let's say for example, if I'm not feeling good, instead na dito ko siya isipin sa loob ng bahay or habang nakahiga or habang nanonood ng TV, parang mas gusto kong magmuni-muni, tumulala at mag-isip or to get in touch with my emotion habang nasa bundok, habang kaharap ko yung mga puno sa University of the Philippines, or habang tumatakbo ako. Parang mas gusto kong nag-overthink ng gumagalaw kaysa yung nag-overthink ng hindi gumagalaw. Ang goal ko every time I overthink or ang goal ko every time I'm not feeling good is to get out of my mind and to get in touch with my body, because the body keeps the score, and instead of thinking, I allow myself to feel. Kumbaga, I'm training my nervous system right now na feel more and think less.